What if I told you that one tiny decision you make in the next 10 minutes determines if you retire a millionaire or work until the day you die? No Ivy League degree, no small loan from your parents, just one choice. Now imagine taking that $100 and investing it every single month. This is the power of compound interest. Over 40 years, your $48,000 could grow into more than $350,000. Audit your spending, negotiate your bills, automate your investments. Most people are faking success until they break. They have decent jobs, nice clothes, and a good-looking life, but one emergency away from financial disaster. More than half the population couldn't cover a basic emergency. You might be paying $40 a month for things you barely use. First, ghost subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, apps you forgot about. Next, the inertia tax. If you haven't changed your insurance or phone plan in years, you might be overpaying every month. Convenience spending, food delivery, takeout, small daily expenses. They quietly destroy your future wealth. Audit your spending, negotiate your bills, automate your investments. Time is your greatest asset. Start building the habit today. If you want more simple strategies that build real wealth, subscribe.
Financial freedom feels amazing. Look at these profits soaring. This is the life.